Alright guys, here's the new car. I traded my Civic, brand new 2005 Infiniti G35, tuned to spit flame. Let's take a look at the rims here. Yep, sport rims on the G35. I can tell it's the 05 version. It doesn't have the dents in the headlights like the 06 does in early 2007.
Alright, so I have the auto bands weapon tune on right now. Looking
Alright.
scrubby, dude.
Alright guys, actually, sadly this isn't my car. You might have guessed it. My car's right there.
Ooh,
I didn't trade my Civic for a G35. But Luis does have a new tune on his car. So we're gonna go check this out. I heard it's faster. So we're about to be like, alright guys, I'm gonna film my facial reaction. So alright
like
guys.
A loser.
He might pull a me. He might miss a gear like me.
I'm gonna do a pull from here, watch.
Hey, who's your tuner? Who's your tuner?
I forgot. His name's Pat. He's Limpo Tuning.
Hey,
So, yeah,
shout out Pat.
Thanks, Pat, for making my tune fun. One thing that like basically just limits the RPMs, which is really weird. It's like a fake launch control, that's what he said. But it sounds kind of cool, I guess. Let me see which one it was. I need to find the map. Let me see if this works. He turned around though.
Oh shit, that lady's like, oops. Sorry, lady.
Mercedes, my windows not tinted, they look at me crazy. I ride through my city, I talk to that bitch like, look what you made me. We came from the basement, now look at our statements. She calling me baby, calling me lately. All that shit changed when I got the Sadies. I'm driving Mercedes, my windows not tinted, they look at me crazy. I ride through my city, I talk to that bitch like, look what you.
Alright guys, we just got to Sushi Hana. We're gonna eat some food, obviously. What else are we doing here? We're cruising over here. The rollers were obviously the clip before of Luis's car. I know, whose nice Infiniti is this? Whose gay ass Honda is that, bro? Rice or nice? Question mark?
Rice or nice?
But for sure guys, we're gonna get some food right now. Hopefully I film some of the food. And let's go inside.
I'm so tired.
Alright guys, this is what our first plate's looking like. Let's see, what'd you pick out of everything?
Syrup for my pancakes.
Syrup? That's not syrup, sir.
Yeah.
Let's see what you picked though. You got the salmon.
I got some fish.
Got some raw salmon. I went with the, I think this is shrimp. Surprisingly, when I come here, I don't eat any raw fish. So I'm gonna try it. It's got a little bit on this one. I overdid it on that one. All right, let's go. It doesn't have any flavor to me. What?
Maybe you can add some.
Okay, add some. Yeah. The texture is all I got.
You don't like it? The texture? Does it bother you? I usually don't do my wasabi and soy sauce makes very aggressive. Mine puts like a spoonful of wasabi. I'm like, no, fuck that.
It's not even spicy. My nose, like when I eat soy sauce, like or not soy sauce, wasabi, like my nose feels like it opens up.
Yeah.
Like in a weird way. I don't know.
It's like a chemical spice.
Yeah.
It's not like a normal spice.
Like, you know when soda, when you burp and you accidentally burp like through your nose or whatever, like Coca-Cola?
That's what it
sort
does,
of like
eh?
that. I don't know the name of this, but this thing is good. They're hot. Oh, rich guy build!
The pipe? Yeah,
oh,
sure.
rich guy build!
Sure. And then the other one is this. Basically just goes over the PCV valve.
Rich guy!
Yeah. But
Look at
technically...
that, real gold!
Yeah, it's
real
gold stickers.
Oh.
Stickers.
Dang, everything's so clean under here. This doesn't look like mine at all.
Well, you just take the engine out today.
Oh no! Oh no! I need to run. I need to run.
We'll put it back in by lunchtime.
It is lunchtime.
Lunchtime tomorrow.
It's 12:21.
Alright, well, shit, I'm ready.
So what do you think?
Then,
what should we do?
So I'm not so scrubby.
So we're gonna go home then?
Yeah, I'm gonna go home and cry and eat some ice cream.
So I think we might be doing the quick release then, right?
Yeah.
Quick release. quick release.
That's gonna be the plan.
All right.
We're gonna swap bumpers.
We're gonna swap bumpers because this bumper would look a little nicer on me, more aggressive.
What are friends for?
All right, so we'll see you guys when we get to his house. He's a good girl. Look at her. Yo, this dog is huge. All right, guys, we're at Luis's rich boy house.
Sure.
Lined up with the G, the Civic. Oh my God, bro, you have so many freaking cars, bro.
I'm sorry.
But we're gonna be installing the quick release bumper setup because my bumper is on a zip tie right now. So let's get into this install. All right, guys.
All right.
Oh shit! Let us know what we're doing.
Yeah, what are we doing?
Oh, we're putting the quick release stuff.
I'm supposed to tell you what we're doing.
Yeah,
okay.
You're supposed to tell me what we're doing.
Let me pretend that I know what I'm doing.
All right, there's that.
Well,
this is the
I'm actually just thinking of like setting this up, and I wanted to see where the other band was. Where's the rubber band?
Oh shit!
The wiener ring.
The wiener ring. So we're putting okay, guys. So we are installing the quick release thing, but we have to do it a specific way because it's got to hold a specific way.
The bumper's pulling in a certain direction, so we might have to. Do you want it up a high, or does it matter to you?
Doesn't matter.
I don't have a center punch. I lost it.
It should just cut through the tape, though.
Yeah. But I just wanted to make sure I had a spot that I knew where this is gonna line up when the bumper lines up. That we'll have room to put this one right here about.
Okay. So yeah, guys, we'll update you guys in a bit. So from here, it looks like it's actually working, but there's a little secret. There's a little secret to it. It's not doing shit. Just so you can see it.
Just looking pretty. We actually couldn't get it to where it would
not sag right here
or pull it hard enough.
Yeah.
You have to actually kind of pull it up with her knee a little bit because it's not lined up right.
So we're just gonna we put a self-tapping screw in there so it goes in, and that should be good. It looks better now. My camera's about to die most likely, or I'm gonna run out of space. Peep my wheel though, looking glossy. Now we're gonna do this side. Hopefully my camera doesn't die before we do it. Again, we'll update you guys in just a moment. All right, guys. So we got these on. Like we said, they don't actually do anything.
Distracted with everything else.
We'll have another like screw, but it took us a while because we're trying to fix my throttle body. It gets stuck, so we're not exactly quite sure why. Or we have a guess now. It's the cable. Not sure why it's doing that though. Dirty. Eventually, maybe next vlog, maybe in whenever I decide to record again, I'll clean out the throttle body and everything. That's gonna be the end of the vlog here. My camera for real is about to die, so thank you to Luis for helping me.
Body lines.
Thank you to Luis for helping me with everything right now. I took the day off work. And
because Corona.
Yeah, because the coronavirus, it's affecting us so much.
It's the name of his uncle. It's not really the sickness.
Yeah, it's the name of the kind of beer we were just drinking. So yeah, guys, we'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with people on your Snapchat, your Instagram, wherever. Follow my new Instagram, simp_si, and follow Luis on Instagram. His Instagram will be in the description below.
I don't have any pictures of myself, just my toys.
Yeah, just his bunch of toys that he has here.
Buckets.
Yeah, Luis is actually one of Washington's millionaires. So, yeah, guys, make sure to hit him with a follow. Hit me with a follow. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you guys in the next vlog.
I'm just gonna keep looking in here like I know what I'm doing.
I said I'm driving Mercedes. My windows not tinted, they look at me crazy. I ride through my city. I talk to that bitch like, look what you made me. We came from the basement. Now look at our statements. She calling me baby, calling me lately. All this shit changed when I got the Sadies. I'm driving Mercedes. My windows not tinted, they look at me crazy.